Sometimes, the best cleaning hacks are hiding in plain sight, waiting to make our lives just a little bit easier. One such unexpectedly effective tool is the humble lint roller. Most of us think of lint rollers as the go-to solution for removing pet hair from clothing or tidying up a suit before that important meeting. But did you know that this simple tool can be a game changer for cleaning around the house and even in your car? Let's start with lampshades. These often overlooked fixtures can quietly collect dust, pet hair, and other debris. Traditional cleaning methods, like wiping with a cloth or vacuuming, often push dust around or risk damaging delicate fabric. But with a lint roller, the process is quick, gentle, and surprisingly satisfying. Simply roll the sticky surface across the lampshade and watch as the dust, lint, and even stubborn hair cling to the adhesive. In just a few passes, your lampshade can look almost as good as new. No need for harsh chemicals, messy water, or awkward maneuvering with a vacuum attachment. What makes this method so appealing is its simplicity. The lint roller's design allows it to contour to the shape of the lampshade, reaching awkward curves and tight spots. For pleated or textured shades, just use a light touch and let the roller do the work. You'll be amazed at how much dust comes off. Sometimes, you won't even realize how dirty the shade was until you see the evidence on the sticky sheet. And when you're done, just peel off the used layer and you're ready to tackle the next spot. But the magic of the lint roller doesn't stop at lampshades. If you've ever struggled to keep your car seats clean, especially if you have pets or kids, you know how quickly crumbs, hair, and dust can accumulate. Those little messes can make your car feel less inviting, and vacuuming isn't always convenient, especially during a busy week or when you're on the go. Here's where the lint roller shines again. Keep a lint roller in your glove compartment or trunk, and whenever you notice debris on your seats, just give them a quick once-over. The strong adhesive on the roller grabs pet hair, snack crumbs, and dust from fabric seats, and even from seat belts. For hard-to-reach crevices or textured upholstery, use the edge of the roller or press gently to work the sticky surface into the material. It's a fast, low-effort way to keep your car looking tidy between deeper cleans. What's especially satisfying about using a lint roller for these tasks is the instant gratification. Each swipe reveals a cleaner surface, and the process is oddly therapeutic. There's no waiting for things to dry, no risk of water stains, and no need for special cleaning products. Plus, lint rollers are inexpensive and widely available, making them a practical tool for just about anyone. So next time you're dusting around the house or tidying up your car, remember this simple hack. Reach for a lint roller and transform the way you clean your lampshades and car seats. It's a small change that can make a surprisingly big difference, and you might just find yourself wondering, why didn't I think of that?